Top 5 business to invest in and earn beginner tips. Disclaimer: investing always carries risk. It's crucial to conduct thorough research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Here are 5 business sectors that have historically shown strong potential for investment, along with some beginner tips. 1. Technology. Why? The tech industry is constantly evolving, offering opportunities in software, hardware, and digital services. Tips: diversify, invest in a variety of tech companies, including established giants and promising startups. Stay informed, keep up with the latest tech trends and news. Long-term perspective. Technology trends can take time to mature, so consider long-term investments. 2. Healthcare. Why? Growing global healthcare needs and aging populations drive demand for medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare services. Tips: research and development. Look for companies investing in innovation and research. Regulatory landscape. Understand the regulatory environment, as it can impact stock prices. Ethical considerations. Consider companies with strong ethical practices, especially in the pharmaceutical industry. 3. Renewable energy. Why? Increasing environmental concerns and government policies support the growth of renewable energy sources. Tips: government incentives. Stay informed about government subsidies and tax breaks. Diversification. Invest in various renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydropower. Long-term potential. Renewable energy is a long-term trend with significant growth potential. 4. E-commerce. Why? The rise of online shopping has transformed the retail industry, creating opportunities for e-commerce platforms and digital retailers. Tips: market research. Identify emerging trends and consumer preferences. Customer experience. Prioritize customer satisfaction and loyalty. Supply chain management. Efficient supply chain operations are crucial for e-commerce success. 5. Real estate. Why? Real estate offers a tangible asset class with potential for rental income and property appreciation. Tips: location, location, location. Invest in properties in desirable areas with strong rental demand. Diversification. Consider investing in various property types such as residential, commercial, and industrial. Professional management. If you're not actively managing properties, hire a reliable property management company. General investment tips for beginners. Start small. Start with a modest investment and gradually increase your portfolio. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Long-term perspective. Focus on long-term goals and avoid impulsive decisions. Continuous learning. Stay updated on market trends and economic news. Consult a financial advisor. Seek professional advice to tailor your investment strategy. Remember, investing involves risk and past performance.